Yo, what's going on, you beautiful, beautiful motherfuckers? We're going downtown to Austin, Texas. We got some big guap on us, if you know what I mean. Fucking racks! Fucking racks on us, dog. Look at this. It's like 10 grand. Nothing much. My friend Aaron, he came to my car to film this video. He's like, bro, guess what I got? And I'm like, what? Pull it out, bro. Dude, this fucker came prepared as shit. He came with the same thing I did. Like, what the fuck? Same idea, like racks. You guys know how I can fucking spider monkey onto roofs and shit. So I'm gonna jump onto a roof and then like wait for people to walk by and then just let it rain money. You know, people are gonna get hyped. This is obviously fake though. Motion picture use only. So like, they're not gonna be like getting any money. It's a little prank. Before the video even starts and before we start doing all this shit, I just wanna tell you guys, turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna throw some up right here. If you guys turn on those post notifications, I'll give you a shout out in the next video. So like, you don't wanna miss out on that shit. Excuse me? This isn't taking my money. Do you know how to get it to work?
Can't help you out, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, so do these not take cash?
Oh, yeah, no, they don't take cash.
So I have to pay with my card?
Yeah.
All right.
Nice stack, though.
Thank you. It's all fake.
Oh.
Nice stack, though, baby. Oh, my God. Let me get a nut.
About a party, the only thing you care about when you're trying to breathe is to get some fresh air. That's it. And when you get to the point where all you want to do is be successful as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful.
God damn, bro. This shit takes man strength, big dick energy. Oh! Making it rain. Nah, yeah, that shit's fake as fuck.
And in the naked light I saw.
Oh. Yeah, they're fake. Oh. Hell yeah, motherfucker. Let's go, baby. Are the cops here? You guys don't like money? You guys just don't like money? All right, guys, so I guess the lesson today is girls don't like money, bro. Girls want a big-hearted guy with a big cock. Hey!
That's not real, right?
Oh, no, that's all real money. You guys can have it.
That's not real money.
No, it's all real money. Completely 100% real. Oh, man. See, now these are the type of girls that like money, bro. Dude, look at all this fucking money just spiraled out, like, all over the street. Just, nah, don't want it. Oh my God. Jesus.
Y'all doing like a little video shoot or something?
Yeah, no, this is all fake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just making it rain on people.
That's
A bunch of hot girls just walked by and I was like, boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, I seen you drop all that shit. I was like, what the fuck?
What they call me, bro? I'm the Tarzan of Austin, bitch. Chill. Chill, bro. It's not making a big deal. It's not making a big deal. Second time's always the charm. Oh, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bro, I think if a cop comes up here, like, this could get me in trouble. I feel like some pussy's gonna be like, there's somebody on top of my roof. That's what people are gonna say. Hey, do you think it's a big deal that I'm up here throwing money? Open your bag up. All right, you ready? Oh, what? Damn. Oh. Oh my God, dude. Whoa. Whoa, where'd all that money come from, brothers? Where'd all that money come from? Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's real. You can have it. No. You don't want it? I'll be your sugar daddy. I'm just kidding. Fuck. No, my money. My money's blown away. I'm willing to offer you $10,000 to take this off your hands.
Very kind of you. I think I will reject it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. For one thing, I don't own this.
Oh, well, I guess with $10,000, you could reimburse them for that and then keep like
I
$6K.
suppose that's probably true.
You down?
I'm not down.
Fuck. Damn it.
Well, I'm sure
All right.
somebody will take you up on that.
Have a good one, bro.
You do too.
Here's that.
Oh, wow. Give me $100.
Yep, no problem. Buy yourself something nice. I was wondering, do you guys like making bets? No. What if I bet you $100 that I can do a trick on this scooter that impresses you?
You should just do it.
All right, ready? Oh, fuck. Ow, fuck. Ah. I messed up. Here's your $100.
Keep your money. Keep your money. Nope.
I just bet you guys though.
I know, but we didn't take you up on your bet.
There's a cop right there, dude. Oh, oh. Hey, don't give me a ticket. Maybe I could just give you 1, 2, 300. You guys don't want the money? Zero money? Zero money now. Hey, excuse me. I'm gonna jump down. Ow, dude, ow. So like, you trying to go on a date or something? I'll take you out to anywhere.
Okay, yeah, let's go to Cabo.
Cabo?
Yeah,
All right,
let's
I'll,
go to Cabo on this, right?
you pull up the website, I'll book the flight.
That's fun. Are you doing like a project of some sort?
I'm just trying to
You're
see as
paying
many
money?
girls as I can get as possible.
Oh, well. Yeah.
And I heard girls like money.
Girls love money. Who
Yeah.
doesn't love money?
Bro, those people just like walk straight above the money, like the money's on the ground, you don't even pick it up. What is it, like $5 if it's real money, bro? Oh no, yeah, I'm planning on getting on this one. I need to hop on this. Able to like step on your hand and you could like boost me. Ooh. Yeah. This boy knows what's up. You know what's up. Ooh. Shit, dog. There we go. Yo.
Yeah, but who are you with? What are you doing?
I'm just trying to film a YouTube video.
Yeah, get off the roof.
All right. All right.
Your job site, so tell them no. Yeah, but they climbed on top of your job site. No.
I'm good. How are you? I'm wondering, would I be able to buy your car off you? No? I'm just kidding. This is it's fake money. Have a good one. Would you be able to like tell me where the PCL is?
Yeah. At the end of Speedway, you hit
Okay.
21st.
Would you be able to write that down for me real quick?
Yeah.
All right. Just write it on there.
Okay.
Just like write directions or
Okay.
something. I really have no clue where to go. I'm kind of dumb. The only thing I know how to do is be a male stripper. That's how I make this, by
Yeah,
the way.
that's why I assumed,
Yeah.
actually, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Would you be able to show me how to put money into this real quick? I don't know how.
I haven't used this ATM, but
Because like if I just put this in there, it doesn't fit. It doesn't even fit.
What's going on?
I'm trying to put my money in and it doesn't fit.
Oh. That's not going to fit like that. You're going to have to feed it in one by one. What are you doing with all that money?
I'm just trying to put it in my bank account, but it's
Yeah,
not.
but you're not going to be able to put it in like that.
I can't.
Not in the big, thing. You have to fit it in one by one.
Oh.
You just have to.
Oh, that's gonna take a long time.
I know.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I guess people don't like money They're fucking weird. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, make sure to smash the like button. Hey, tell them to subscribe.
Hey, you got to subscribe. Whatever it is, you got to just do it, man. Just do it. Yeah. Bye.
Run that back, Turbo.
Yeah, dude. Just do whatever the fuck he said. All right, peace out,
You
guys.
can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch, so I two-toned it. Taking these drugs.